Hey, hi, hello, warrior. All the love you have extended in my last videos. Thank you for that. And I hope I can reach to you and I can make you assured that I will always provide you good information which are authenticate. And for that same reason, today's video is going to be very, very informative for you guys because in today's video I am not going to only answer those questions which I have been asked in my mail ID and the telegram channel, which is Warrior for UPSC channel, and the telegram group that Warrior for UPSC Warrior for UPSC group, I guess. And other than that, at the WhatsApp also. And more than that, most of the student has a problem with the language Bengali because so many people were watching this video from the pan-India basis where Bengali is not their mother tongue. I can understand this thing. This is why I'm making this video in English. But I will make sure to my Bengali brother and sisters so that you can also understand because I will also make another video which will be in Bengali, but definitely the medium will be in English. Like the sources material will be English. So whatever the video we are going to cover today is number one, and that is it possible to clear the examination by self-study without going or without coming down to Delhi? Number two is what should be the medium for giving the UPSC examination? And number three, the most important question I have ever encountered, that is what are the proper book list for UPSC CSE 2021? So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button, and make sure that you have pressed the bell icon so that whenever I will upload any good video, and you can just get the notification right there and you can be the first viewer of this channel. So let's don't waste the time. So hi and welcome to Warrior for UPSC blog. I hope you guys are doing very well, and today's video is going to be a bit candid for this because you all have so many of queries in your mind. That the first thing is that is it possible to study from your home, and then is it possible to clear the examination? Then my clear answer to you is yes dear, it is 100% possible. Now what is the take on it? If you are doing your self-study from your home, make sure your all the concept of the syllabus is clear in your mind. You know all the topic properly and you have a very good understanding over the topic and the syllabus. The must known thing for an aspirant is the syllabus. Now the point is that whenever you are studying anything new, make sure that you are having a proper writing practice from the very beginning when you have started your UPSC preparation. Just because the reason is that only the writing practice can help you to reach at the zenith, whatever which is the exact parameter of your understanding, and that question should be suitable for you. This is why I always tell you, join any online coaching, answer writing coaching, like join a coaching for the answer writing, or you can join anyone who will make you assured that who will give you a quality service of making you sure that you are having a good knowledge of answer writing, which is important to clear the mains as well, and which will also help you to understand the essay writing. But apart from that, which is about the foundation course, it is 100% sure that you can clear or qualify the UPSC examination by the self-study. So yes, no need to come down to Delhi from your home. If you have your proper environment to study along in your hometown, or you have proper internet connection with you, and you can do it online by seeing the YouTube videos, by getting a guides like me. If you are sure about that, then definitely UPSC can be cleared by self-study. Now number two topic is the medium. So I will talk about one thing. See, I have started my preparation with Bengali, but after that, after some time, like after a year, after wasting a year, actually, I realized that Bengali can be my mother tongue. With all respect, I have lots regards for my mother tongue, but still, when it is about UPSC, I just realized one thing, that all over India, there are very much of scarcity of kind of kind of material we need to prepare ourselves for the UPSC study. Now, if you have enough material in your mother tongue, then you can definitely go by the preparation. But I can make you assured, particularly all those who are from West Bengal, I can make you assured that Bengali materials are not there. Now the best part is that every time we know maximum the northern Indian belt and the other Indian, like the southern India, the eastern India, they used to give their paper in English. But very unfortunately, even in Hindi medium also, this time the result is not so much up to the mark. So unexpectedly, this time Hindi medium students has not make it clear in such way what they used to do. So it does mean there is kind of pressure of getting into the sources or accumulated the materials in a proper way, so that you can give a good examination by the studying by your mother tongue materials, the materials made by your mother tongues. Now I will say one more thing. If you are preparing for UPSC CSE 2021, see, UPSC never asks you for the grammatical thing or how much comprehensively you are knowledgeable about English, because they always have the tendency to make the UPSC examination on a level playing field. This is why they always make sure that every kind of student can give this examination and pass the exam. This is why UPSC never has asked for the graduation percentage. They only asked for a person who is only graduate. So whatever is your marks in your graduation, it never differ your preparation in UPSC. But make sure you have 100% conceptual clarity, whatever paper you like, whatever the preparation you are taking through and going through. Now, one more thing I want to convey: whenever you will be selected, that time only at the Lavasna, you only Bengali is there when you will sing the theme song in the morning, that is How Dharomete Der, How Kormete Bir. But other than that, wherever you will be posted, your all the official works, your all the official documents, all the curriculums, you have to either it will be in English, or in some region that will be in Hindi. But in that case, if you are been biased by the regional section, by the regional medium, then it will be bit difficult for you. Now, one more thing, that for sure, if you are choosing your cadre as Bengal, then it will not be that much problematic for you if you are a Bengali. But what will be the problem? By chance, if you are not been selected according to your choice, and you have not got the cadre which you have selected for, and you have not been allotted with that cadre, then what you will do? If you have allotted for Bengal, like for the eastern region, but you have been chosen for western region, then who will ask you for your Bengali language, right? So this is why I want you to make sure that whenever you are studying anything, is it the newspaper or your material, make sure that it is English. But after all, you are giving your examination, so the choice is up to you. If you have teacher with you who will make you understand the concept in your mother tongue, go for that teacher. Otherwise, self-study, and if you are enough confident that you can do self-study and you can clear the concept in your mind, then definitely this is also a good option for you. The most awaited video, I can say, one who are waiting for the book list. So I'm going to talk about the important book list for the UPSC CSE 2021. So there are the important book lists for the UPSC CSE 2021, the must-read book for all the aspirant along with the sources. First, we will talk about the history standard books, that is GS1, helpful for the GS1 and prelims. Now NCERT class 6 to 10 for the new aspirant who has not clarity on the concept, I will suggest them to read all these 6 to 10 books, and which will be covering basic knowledge of the ancient, medieval and modern and world history part. Now I will also tell you can go through the Maluka IAS NCERT synopsis on history if you already have gone through this class 6 to 10 books. Okay, and with that Tamil Nadu NCERT plus old NCERT class from both of class 11 and 12. Tamil Nadu NCERT is very good for the detailed study for southern Indian history, and rest can be covered from the other NCERT. Now ancient and medieval standard book you can refer to Poonam Dalal Dahiya. And the book is named by the ancient history, okay, by Poonam Dalal Dahiya. And other than that, for the modern history I will just prefer you to go with Spectrum by Rajiv Ahir. Other than that, I will definitely tell you to go through the newspaper topics on a regular basis so you can understand how to relate the GS1 history paper with the current affairs news. Now it is about geography, that is also in GS1 in mains and prelims. Now geography has three divisions. One is physical geography, human geography and economic geography. For the physical geography you can refer to NCERT class 11 or PMF IAS note, any of one. Either you can continue a study with the NCERT class 11 or PMF. You don't need to buy both of them. Now for the human geography, NCERT class 8, 9 and 10 and PMF IAS note. And for the economic geography you can go with the NCERT class 12 and Maluka IAS synopsis class 11 and 12 geography. So for the economic geography you can refer both of them, and for human geography any of them, and physical geography also any of them. You don't need to go for several sources. You can just make your sources one concise and you can revise it again and again. Now we will move towards our next subject, that is Indian polity and constitution, that is in GS2 and prelims. So first thing is important to tell you that Indian polity by Lakshmikant 6th edition you should have with you, and with that regular newspaper article from the Hindu and Indian Express with editorial analysis. Now you should move towards our governance and international relationship, that is only for the mains perspective, not in the prelims. So governance in India, that is Lakshmikant 2nd edition, you can go with it. And along with that NCERT's contemporary world politics, that is for class 12, and politics in India since independence class 12. These both you can go with for preparing your international relationship and governance. And newspaper article and editorial is must for preparing that. And notes from this kind of notes from the Insight on India or Vajiram or Vision IS, any of them, not all. Okay, you can take notes from for the this IR, like this is not IP, this will be IR notes. Okay, IR notes from the governance and the international relationship. Now we will move towards our Indian economy GS 3 and prelims. So economy is important for your GS 3 and for the mains and the prelims as well. So here you have to read NCERT economy of class 9 and 10, and other than that you can, and after completing your basic with this NCERT book, you have to move to Indian economy by Nitin Singhania or Mrunal PDF with the video class which have been uploaded on the YouTube. You just have to search Mrunal Pathak economy in the YouTube. You can get all the video by free of cost. And then must read newspaper articles from the Hindu and the Indian Express, because without acknowledging that today's topic or the current affairs topic on the economy, you will not be able to do something good in your main preparation. Okay, now we will move towards the environment and ecology, that is our GS3 paper, and sometime it's come to prelims as well, but in the prelims you will not get in a mentioned subject. So this is under the current affairs section. So this is the PMFIS environment notes that has been updated on 2020 or 2019, updated or Shankar IS, and regular newspaper and special edition of the Yojana and Kurukshetra will help you a lot for make clear your environment and ecology paper. Now I will refer you to some channel that is on YouTube. And okay, before that, for the current affairs, I will like to mention the Hindu, the Indian Express, PIB, that is Press Information Bureau, and Yojana Special Edition for the current affairs chapter. Other than that, you can refer to Sunya IAS, or you can refer to Sunya IAS. Sunya IAS, Vision IAS, or Current Affairs by Insight. These are the most important thing you need to for the current affairs you can go through. Now I will suggest you some channel to watch on YouTube. Before that, is had been this thing should be clear also. Art and Culture of India, that is for GS1 paper, that is for mains. Sometime it comes in prelims as current affair as well. So NCERT Art and Culture class 11 and Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania, Yojana and Kurukshetra, and regular newspaper. If you are reading these books regularly, then you don't need to go for any other sources for completing your art and culture. So this is more than enough, and I will suggest you to go and watch some YouTube channel, and definitely first thing I will take name of Warrior for UPSC blog, which you are now watching, and then NCERT free classes, whatever is uploaded on Maluka IAS platform, and UPSC with Pooja is one of the very good channel that you can take it as a guidance. And other than that, Study IQ, Sleepy classes, Amit Sengupta, these are the renowned classes which actually provide you authenticate news sources, current affairs sources, and sometimes they talk about the extensively about any topic which has been asked in the UPSC previous year or the coming year's paper. So this was the details I tried to provide you in this video. I hope you have liked that video, because this has been a most queried video for me, because before that also I have provided this kind of video, but anyway it was not that much organized the way I made it now. So make sure that you have not forget to subscribe this channel, and please like it, and I will talk about the courses here in the description box. Check it out, and even in the previous video, whatever the courses is going to launch on 16 November, that is history course for the that is in Bengali, and other than that there are our mock test course that you can also watch in the previous video. Or for the queries, you can just contact at the number what have been given you the description box. Take care, bye bye, and Jai Hind.